morning, it's our second full day here in Dubai. We are just about to head out down to the marina to go on a yellow boat tour. Callum went to put his shoes on from yesterday after we went dune bashing, and this is how much sand is in his shoes still. Hi, so we're on the yellow boat tour. This is a boat company that run boats around the Dubai area. We are taking the 90-minute tour. It leaves from the Dubai Marina and it takes you around to the Burj Al Arab, the Atlantic Palm Hotel, around the Palm Islands. And we're super excited actually because we are staying in downtown Dubai, so we haven't been able to explore this area at all. And I think the best way to explore it is, and the quickest way as well to explore it, is probably by the sea. So I'm very excited for this little tour. So we've just finished the yellow boat tour. It was amazing. I would highly recommend anyone when you're in Dubai, especially if you're short on time, to jump on a yellow boat and go around the area. It was really good fun. Our guide was super helpful. He gave us lots of information about the history of Dubai and like new buildings that were being built here. All of the interesting like statistics of like the most expensive pizza, all that type of stuff. He gave us all that information, which was really interesting. We're gonna out here, have a quick snacky lunch, and then we're going to pop over to the Miracle Gardens. All alone on the internet, but you don't seem to forget about yourself. So we're here at the Dubai Miracle Garden. It is like a big botanic garden in the middle of Dubai. We've just got our 2 tickets. It was 40 AED per adult, and we're going to go check it out.
where they tell you about the trees and the seas, how it's all connected. The flowers and the birds and leaves, the northern lights, yeah, we're all affected.
So we've just come out of the Dubai Miracle Garden. It's really a really pretty garden if you want to visit, if you're really into flowers. They built a plane of flowers with Emirates written on it. It was quite interesting. Yeah, so definitely come here if you're into that type of thing. We're going to head back to the hotel now and have some afternoon tea and then relax and pack for our flight tomorrow morning.
All alone on the internet, but you don't seem to forget about yourself.
That is our time up here in Dubai. We were only here for a few days because we were stopping over on the way back to England to see our family for Christmas. I've really enjoyed our time here in Dubai. I'll be honest, I didn't think I'd enjoy it this much. It was really good fun and I wish we were here for a few more days because there's lots and lots of things here to see and do. My favourite thing by far was the dune bashing that we did. Amazing, definitely would recommend anyone to do that, and going around and seeing the marina area this morning was really good fun as well. So yeah, I wish we had some more time here. I'll definitely be coming back to Dubai in the future. Yes, that's the end of our kind of Dubai vlogs. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have, make sure that you give a like to our videos and subscribe to watch some more travelling around the world videos and living and travelling around China too. Thanks.